So retrograde is an interesting phenomena that some of us have a hard time understanding. It doesn't make sense that the planets are going opposite directions as the way we view them. However, they are just completing their orbits at a different pace than we are. No other planet in this solar system has a 365-day year. Mercury has an 88-day year, so it goes around the sun way faster than we do, and that's why we see it in retrograde 3 times a year. Likewise, Venus, its orbit is faster than ours, so we see it go in retrograde every now and then too. So this year, Venus started its retrograde on the 13th of May, and as you can see, it seems as if it is going what we might call the wrong direction. It's not, and by the 25th, as I get there, we will see that it is returning to what we would call as correct. It's now July on my Stellarium calendar, and you can see again that Venus is back on track as the way we view it. So, retrograde essentially is something that we might have a hard time understanding, but it's because the planets closer to us are orbiting the sun much faster than we are. Likewise, the planets behind us are going around the sun much slower than we are. So from their vantage points, we are also going the opposite direction at certain times in the year.